Hello, it's David Peterson from Gat Creek. Let's take a trip around the new configurable custom shop dining tables at gatcreek.com. From the top of our homepage, select Custom Shop from the top navigation. Custom shop dining tables are made from 5/4 Appalachian hardwood lumber, so they are heavy duty and built to last for decades. Like all Gat Creek products, each table is made to order in a choice of ash, cherry, maple, walnut, and in paint on maple. There are 64 total material and finish options. There are 10 styles of tables in Custom Shop, each available with a choice of an extension top or a fixed top. This Gabriel extension table opens to accept up to two 18-inch long leaves. We offer the table standard with one 18-inch leaf. With this Gabriel extension table maxed out at 84 inches in length, with two 18-inch leaves installed, its total length is 120 inches. You can see in the model that the apron gap in the middle of the table is there as expected, and the grain pattern of the wood travels across the table width. Clicking over to the fixed top version here, we find the grain running along the length of the table, and there are no breaks in the center of the apron. This table can also be made in 6-inch increments up to 120 inches. In the minimum size length and width, this 48 by 36 inch Gabriel fixed top table is $2,805. A very convenient feature of our configurator is that the user can see the prices for their selection of tabletop sizes in tandem with the wood and finish selections. First, let's expand the size of this table to 84 inches long and 42 inches wide. And then proceed to the next step where we are choosing maple as our material and flannel gray as our finish. Here's the newly configured table. With material, finish, and size selected, it is often useful to take a full screen view and/or click the View in Your Space button, which is access to an augmented reality image, to get a sense for the scale of your selection. I'm going to choose to go with a full-size screen here and expand the table so I can get a good view of it. Let's get back there. Here we go. This is also a good time to make note of the price of the table we have selected because we have made substantial changes. $3,574 for this 84 by 42 inch version of this table. The options that remain result in only modest changes in the price of this table. For example, we have the choice of tabletop edge profiles in the next step. The table is pre-selected with a DuPont tabletop edge. The other choices are bullnose, chamfered, ovolo, regal, and straight. Let's choose bullnose to complement the arc created by the curved ends of the apron as they feather into the top of the leg here on the Gabriel table. There is no change in price. Let's take a look. Also on this page, we can choose to keep the base material and finish the same as the top, or choose to try a contrasting base by material and finish. This section is in the form of a question: base, same wood finish as tabletop? And our answer to try a contrasting base is no. And then to select a material, which is a hand glazed paint, and finish, which is lamb's wool. And now our configured table is two-tone. And here's a look at the final price, $4,137 with the flat fee two-tone edition. If we were specifying an extension table, this is where we would be choosing between a standard single 18-inch leaf or two 18-inch leaves to maximize the length of the table. One more cool thing is that the table you configured is downloadable. In this example, we'll click on Download Image and we'll open it up and select to send a message, in this case to myself, in the form of the image that was configurable table image that was created. Finally, we can look to the bottom right-hand corner of the product detail page to find the spec sheet button. It generates a full description of the product you've specified, ready for printing, or you can just simply scroll down and find all of the configurable elements, plus the contents of the Overview tab and the Dimensions tab too. So there you have it. Custom Shop Dining Tables by Gat Creek. Visit our website and check out the full range of possibilities.